Hey there, Webbridge. It's time for your dad jokes. This time around, I am paying homage to Star Wars Day. May the 4th be with you. I'm a week late, but that's okay. Blame milestones. Knock, knock. Vader. Vader minute while I tell you some jokes. Why did Chewbacca get sent back down to play minor league baseball? He was making too many Wookiee mistakes. How does Wicket get around Endor? Ewoks. What did Yoda ride as a kid? A do-cycle, because there is no try. Where did Luke get his cybernetic hand? From the second-hand store. All right, email me if you've got a dad joke you'd like to share. Have a great day.